Ever opened up your credit card app and thought, wait, where'd my credit limit go? Not a fun surprise. Your credit limit isn't just a random number. Lenders set it based on your credit report and score, provided to them by Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax. They'll also peek at your income and how you've been handling your payments. But plot twist, lenders can lower your limit without warning. If that does happen, the good news is there are no over-the-limit fees or penalty rates for at least 45 days after your limit was lowered. So why'd they cut down your credit line? There are a few possible reasons. First, late or missed payments. Ghosting your due dates? Big yikes. Don't do that. Next, high utilization. Maxing out your card? If you're over 30%, your score might dip. Keep it in the single digits. Third, low utilization. Barely using your card? They might think you don't need that big limit. And last, spending changes. They track your habits. Paying in full every month helps keep that limit steady. Bottom line, if your limit gets cut, don't panic. Check your credit, rein in spending, and call your card issuer. They might bump it back up. Good luck.